So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to link Birdfy to the Google Home smart display and the voice assistant. So guys, if you want to connect your Google Home to smart display and the voice assistant, so you just follow this video. So guys, you verify Birdie setup, so ensure your Birdfy camera or the feeder is already connected to your Wi-Fi and actively working in the Birdfy app. Then open your Google Home, launch your Google Home on your iOS and the Android. Tap the plus icon in the top left corner and select the setup devices work with the Google. After that guys, find the Birdfy, search for Birdfy in the list of the services, and guys link your account, tap the Birdfy result and log in using the same credentials, and you use the Birdfy app and authorize the Google to access your account. Then guys, assign and name. Once linked, your Birdfy device will appear, so you can assign it to specify room in your home and give it to a recognizable name. Okay, after that, you simply, once connected, you simply say hey Google, show me the camera, and you also say hey Google, stream the backyard camera. So this is a simple way that you can do. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys subscribe.